Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I do my silk press. So I am starting out on freshly washed and conditioned hair. That's always important. And I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into sections, of course. And I'm going to use a little bit of this melanin leave-in hair conditioner just to make sure like my hair's not dry. And I'm going to go in with my Tresseme heat tamer spray to make sure we don't get any crazy damage and to make sure my hair is protected, of course. And then I'm going to go in with my Solia hair dryer and proceed to blow dry my hair. I'm going to show you half of my hair on camera, and then we'll come back with the finished results of my whole head after I blow dry it. And this blow dryer I've had for years. I get it off of a website that isn't even in service anymore. But yeah, very, very old blow dryer, but it still looks new and it works great. And I do like to go in with my paddle brush just to really get in there and get my hair stretched and straight as possible, of course. And I am using the highest heat possible because that's the only way you're going to get the best silk press is when you use high heat. Because you know, if you don't do that, then I feel like you're going to do so many passes with a flat iron and you're just going to cause so much damage. So for me, it's just better if I go in with high heat when I blow dry my hair. And here is what my hair is looking like, all blow dried. Now we're gonna go ahead and flat iron my hair. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair. And I'm going to go in with my Sedu flat iron on 410 degrees is the max. And I'm going to go in with my Silk Infusion and just distribute a small amount within each section. And I'm going to go ahead and get started, and we're going to see what this looks like. So it's looking pretty good. So I'm going to do about 1 to 2 passes only. And I really like this flat iron. I've had it for so long. I think I got it from, I'm gonna say Amazon. I'm not sure. But I do know this particular one is discontinued. They don't sell it anymore. So yeah. But I do like it because it's ceramic and I don't burn off my hair. It only goes up to 410 degrees. Which is good for me to use at home because I know at the salon they use like the a flat iron that goes up to 450 degrees, so I would never flat iron my hair 450 degrees at home. So this one is perfect for me. It gets the job done. My hair comes out straight, but it's not extremely bone straight, which I like, because I find when I flat iron my hair gets so unbelievably like greasy for some reason. I don't know why, especially when it's extra silky. Like I can only wear my hair like flat ironed for like a week before it gets super greasy. So this does the job. So if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe on your way out. Hit the like button if you like the video, and be sure to turn on the notification bell so that you never miss one of my uploads. And yeah, I have some more videos coming. Excited to be on a weekly schedule. I might even throw in an extra video and maybe do like 2 videos per week. Hopefully we can get to that point, but definitely try to be more consistent with my content this year. And yeah, I hope you guys stick around, join me. I have more DIYs coming up, and you know, if you want to grow your hair long, I got you. I got you, girl. And as far as flat ironing my hair, I have been doing it more throughout the cooler months, the fall and the winter months. So it's been working out for me. I haven't had any damage, any breakage. It's just working out for me. I do protein treatments to maintain the health of my hair. So yeah. So of course, when the weather gets hotter, I will not be flat ironing my hair because it will just revert back probably within like a few minutes after I flat iron it. So definitely enjoying wearing it straight. And you know, I think I'm gonna put some wand curls in my hair. I think I'm gonna film myself doing that, which is something that I rarely do. I rarely do wand curls, but that would be super cute. So probably gonna do a video on that. And we are getting close to the end of this silk press, which it's looking really good. And I do have to go in and put another rinse on my hair, of course, because it's already basically rinsed out of my hair. Like the roots are just gray again, which is so annoying. It's just so, I mean, it's great to get old and stuff, you know, but you know, part of being old is getting gray hairs, and I don't like that part of getting old. But yeah, I'm not ready to permanently dye my hair yet, so I'm just going to, you know, keep doing the rinses for now. So this is it, you guys. This is what my hair is looking like. Really fluffy, has a lot of movement. It's definitely not weighed down. And my hair has grown out so much. Be sure to give the video a like if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video.